In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix netlify deploy failed errors. If your netlify deployment keeps failing, don't worry. In many cases, the problem comes down to build settings, cached files, dependency differences, or repository limits. We're going to walk through the most practical places to check so you can get your site building again. Start by opening your netlify dashboard and selecting the site that's having the issue. This takes you into the project where all of the deployment settings and logs are managed. Make sure you're in the correct site before changing anything, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you're inside the project, go to the configuration area, then open Build and Deploy. From there, head into Continuous Deployment and look for Build Settings. This is one of the most important sections because it controls how Netlify builds your site and where it looks for the final output. Now carefully verify that your build command and publish directory match your project's local configuration exactly. This is a very common cause of failed deploys. If your local project builds with one command but Netlify is using a different one, the deployment can break immediately. The same goes for the publish folder. If Netlify is pointed to the wrong output directory, the build may complete but still fail to publish correctly. Double check spelling, folder names, and framework-specific output paths. If those settings look correct, the next thing to try is clearing the cache and retrying the deploy. Cached files can sometimes carry over outdated or corrupted data from previous builds, which can cause repeat failures even after you fix the original issue. To do that, open the failed deployment page, click Trigger Deploy, and choose Clear Cache and Deploy Site. This forces Netlify to rebuild everything from scratch, which often resolves persistent errors that don't make sense at first glance. If the problem continues, move on to dependency and environment variances. A project might work locally but fail in Netlify because the versions of packages, node, or environment configuration are not aligned. This is especially important if your build depends on a specific runtime or package behavior. You should also take advantage of Netlify's built-in diagnostics. Deployment logs and error messages can point you directly to the failing command, missing dependency, or invalid configuration. Reading the exact failure point can save a lot of guesswork. Finally, consider repository and size limits. If your project includes oversized files or exceeds platform limits, that can also cause deployments to fail. Cleaning up unnecessary files and keeping the repository lightweight can help avoid these issues. By checking each of these areas carefully, you'll be able to troubleshoot most Netlify deploy failed errors and get your site back online.